Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason and I'm back in Japan. So the first stop I wanted to check out was APITs here in Tokyo. I was here last year and I want to show you around the shop and see what's changed here within the past year. So let's walk around and enjoy. Looks like the HKS area over here is pretty much the same since the last time we were here. Got stickers, embroidery, exhausts, but I haven't seen this thing right here. HKS shoelaces and shoes. Wow. By Puma. It's pretty funny. Ooh, this is nice. It's a Puma jacket with HKS on it. On the back it says, "Tune the next." Here we have more HKS exhausts and Hypermax suspension. Toward the bottom we have brake fluid and motor oil. See all these boxes right here? It's all suspension. Last time we were here, this engine was here. I think it's the EJ25 or EJ20. It's from the Subaru STI. And there was also a GTR motor that was right here, and as you can see it's not there anymore. The display room looks pretty similar from what it used to look like last year, minus a few things like the GTR motor. This wall is always pretty stacked with parts. Last year there was also like a Subaru exhaust setup like right in this area. Looks like they took out the exhaust and added like a little shelf, and this is where they display more parts, so it makes it a lot easier to walk around this area. I can't get tired of looking at this display. It's like walking through a candy store, you know. I just want it all. I don't even have the cars that these parts are for, but it's like, yep, let me get that, you know, air intake, and let me get this Hypermax suspension right here. It's kind of like a slippery slope when I'm going through here. I don't even have a BRZ, but that part looks cool and I want it. On the TV, that's the NC1 ARTA NSX. And I'm assuming those are the parts for it too. And here's another view of the HKS gear. And if you don't see the specific parts that you're looking for, you can ask the front desk for help and you can order the parts with them. You can have it shipped to you, or you can have it like shipped to the store. What do we have here? Looks like differential covers, maybe some final gears. Ooh, endless big brake kit. I love those. I recommend coming to the APITs if you're trying to find some small and light things to buy, like souvenirs, stickers, you know, radiator caps, even a steering wheel. The store has a large selection of just random parts, so you can just walk around here for hours and just start picking out knickknacks that you want to buy, like these titanium bolts right here. It's super light, won't take up too much space in your luggage, so it's like the perfect thing to buy. So this is the employee desk that I was talking about. You can sit down there, ask them for specific parts that you want to buy, and they'll help you out. Going back here, got some headlights, taillights, carbon fiber bits and pieces. What is this? Oh, looks like relays. So they have some really small knick-knack stuff. This is like the Tine wall. Ooh, Defi gauges. I do like the Defi gauges. Here we are at the middle of the second floor, and we have the seat display. Now, if you're in America, most people call this bride seats, but here in Japan, most people call it brid, or they pronounce it brid. Recaro's over here. Depending on where you're at in the world, you can call it bride, brid, doesn't matter. It's up to you. Looks like Brembos and endless brakes, more taillights, fog lights. Let's walk back to the Recaros. Hey, comment below which seat is your favorite. I'm actually curious. Like these seats are really good for like the older like 90s cars. So like a DA Integra, these seats would look really nice in one of those. I don't get too much interaction with the viewers, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, but I'm really curious, like what kind of cars do you guys drive? You know, like comment below what kind of seats you would put in your cars. These seats aren't really a common color, and it looks like it's Alcantara and perforated, so that's really cool to see. Here's a lot of Momo gear. This company's from Italy, and they focus on a lot of safety gear and steering wheels. Ooh, I forgot to buy this last time. These are cushions for your seats so that you don't mess up your seats on the bolster areas. It looks like Recaro sells the same thing, and some of them are for the seatbelt covers. Oh wow, Mugen storage case. I know a lot of people would love that. Some more Momo steering wheels. Oh wow, they got some carbon fiber wallets and key fob holders. Some stickers. Actually, a lot of stickers. Wow. Great spot for souvenirs. If you're wondering, just want to put it out there, Japan does take a lot of pride in their products. So all these products are all authentic, and you don't have to worry about like buying something fake at this store. Ooh, this is pretty cool to see. The Boss steering wheel hubs and work bells. These are actually really nice to have. If you're gonna do like a disconnect, quick disconnect wheel, definitely take a look at those. This aisle looks like a bunch of maintenance stuff, air filters and other things. Turning around, here we got some more knick-knack stuff, stickers. For Mitsubishi enthusiasts, you got some RX-7 stuff, the Aria Memia stickers. Oh, it's for Teslas. It's the gas and brake pedals. I'm not sure what suspension this is. Oh, it's for the Abarth HKS. It's like more Euros. Stuff for Euros. Racing suits, Sparkos. So they got a lot of American brand names here. Actually, only Sparkos on this side. Okay. Sparko helmets. Ooh, carbon helmet. Neat. If you're looking for Japanese helmets in carbon, Arai does sell a carbon helmet for like $3,000 US. Sparko's a lot cheaper. Everything looks pretty much all the same since the last time we were here. It's a showcase for the Abarth. Okay. Oh, pretty cool hats. So I got the Advan hat. Tane. Endless. This is pretty cool to see. It doesn't feel good though. And here we have more shirts and sweaters from Tane. That's pretty much it. That's cool. There's new merchandise on the first floor, so let's take a look around. For anyone who stuck around this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the next Japan video.